Hey everyone, so in this video, I'll show you how to reset your Trane air conditioner, including the control panel, thermostat, and full system reset. If your Trane AC stops cooling, shows an error, or just isn't responding, don't worry. A quick reset usually brings it back to normal. Now, here is the solution step by step. Step 1. Turn off the system. First, turn off your Trane AC using the thermostat. Then switch off the power from the circuit breaker. Wait for about 30 seconds to let the system fully power down. Step 2. Reset the thermostat. Now, if your thermostat screen is blank or unresponsive, remove it from the wall mount gently. Pull out the batteries if it uses them, wait for 10 to 15 seconds, and put them back in. Reattach the thermostat to the wall. If it's a smart model, look for a reset or reboot option in the settings menu. Step 3. Reset from the control panel. Locate the Trane AC control panel, usually on the indoor unit or furnace. Press and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds until the light blinks or turns off. If your model doesn't have a reset button, turning the breaker off and on again works the same way. Step 4. Restore power and test. Turn the breaker back on. Then, turn the thermostat to cool mode and set your preferred temperature. Wait a few minutes, your Trane should start up again and begin cooling. Step 5. Full system reset if issues continue. If it still doesn't respond, try a complete system reset. Turn off the thermostat and breaker again, wait 5 minutes, and turn both back on. This clears minor system glitches and resets all components. Important notes. Always switch off power before touching the control panel or thermostat. If the system still doesn't work, check your air filter or breaker fuse. Those can stop the AC too. Persistent issues may require a professional technician. Don't force a reset repeatedly. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. If this helped fix your Trane air conditioner, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick home repair guides.